Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not working and loading on PS5. So some common issues is because either you have an outdated system and account issues leads to Roblox not working on PlayStation 5. When Roblox is not working on PS5, users may encounter the app getting stuck on a gray or black loading screen. Further, the Roblox does not launch or open at all, crashes or freezes during gameplay, and fails to connect to servers or log in. These problems can arise due to unstable internet connection, outdated PS5 system software, Roblox app cache or storage on PS5, account sync problems between Roblox app and PS5, Roblox server outages or maintenance. So in account issues, to resolve account connectivity issues with Roblox on PS5, navigate to the settings menu, then select security tab, and where we're logged in, find the entry for the Roblox PlayStation app and tap on it. Further, you must choose the option to disconnect your PlayStation account and confirm it. After disconnecting, you must log out of all sessions, return to your PS5, and launch the Roblox app. Finally, you can use quick login option to sign back into your Roblox account, entering your account credentials as needed. Check system and app updates. For system software update, turn on your PS5 and go to settings, system software update. For game or app updates from the home screen, highlight the game Roblox you want to check. You need to press the options button on your controller and select and check for update from the menu. Hence, if any update is available, it will begin downloading automatically. Clear cache. Turn off your PS5 completely by unplugging the power cable for a few minutes and then plug it back and turn it on the console. To rebuild the database, you must turn off the PS5. Press and hold the power button until you hear a second beat of about 7 seconds. Then connect your controller with a USB cable and press the PS button. Finally, select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. Reinstall Roblox. You can go to Settings, Storage, Games and Apps, find Roblox, select it, and choose Delete. Further, you can navigate to the PlayStation Store and search for Roblox and select Download to reinstall the app. Adjust video output and network settings on PS5. To adjust video output, go to Settings, Screen and Video output, then set resolution to automatic and disable HDR. To change network settings, you must go to Settings, Network, Set up Internet Connection. Further, you must select your connection, press Options, and go to Advanced Settings. Then you need to set DNS settings to manual, primary DNS to 1.1.1.1, and secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Finally, set MTU to manual and enter 1500. Thank you. Hope this helped. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.